Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Today will be super quick, helpful video to any of you trying to find fuses relays for the power steering system, guys. Okay, on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. For any of you looking for that fuse, it's actually hidden. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it, and if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share, guys, that information in the description of the video below. That's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Check it out if you need something. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So the power steering, guys, fuses and relays, what you can expect to find, and we will demonstrate on that GMC Sierra. Now guys, quick advice. Now we're making that video because you need to know that there is many hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Sierra that most people do not know they exist. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra Fuse Box Location and Diagram. It will explain about all the hidden fuse boxes. You need to know that information. People told us that video saved them thousands of dollars in repairs. We need to go ahead and open the hood. And here guys, when we open the hood, okay, on the driver's side, most people know about that main engine fuse box right here. If you open the cover, it looks like this one. Okay, but before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So that's where people will be looking for, but usually the power steering fuses are quite big, guys. It should be anything above probably 50 amps, 50, even 80 amps in most cases, and the biggest ones here are 60. So what we guys need to check here specifically, okay, nothing in that fuse box, but you need to open the hood and come to the car battery, guys. You have another hidden fuse box. You see, that's your car battery here, right? You see the wires that are going to it. If you open that cover underneath, guys, you're going to find, okay, on the positive battery terminal, that's a positive battery terminal, you have a integrated fuse box here. And that's a top view of that same fuse box, guys. Here you may have up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fuses that you will, guys, need to check. Now, the power steering fuse is in that fuse box. Which one it is? It's known as fuse number 4, but it's really hard to actually know from which side you count it. But test all of them. It's super easy to test them. Okay, well, we have the video on the channel how to test them, but pretty much you test for connection between here and here, here, and so forth, guys. But that's where you're going to expect to find your power steering main fuse, and most people do not know that it's located there. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend, guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.